Hey guys, welcome back to another wig install video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for still being here. So getting right into the video, I'm working on freshly washed hair, blow dried, and now I'm just braiding down my hair for a flawless flat install. And I like to make sure that my braids are neat, just because I like my hair to be, I don't know, I'm a perfectionist, so I just like my hair to be neat and nice underneath my wig. Now you see me just bringing all of that together, braiding all of the hair hanging together, and I'm just pinning that up with a bobby pin. So the next step is moisturizing your hair. I'm using the Black Magic conditioner grease. I'm just putting that in between the parts. Also guys, don't forget to get the nape of your head. You want to make sure that part is also moisturized. Now let's get to the fun part. So using your Got To Be styling gel, black tube to be exact, you want to place that on your baby hairs and just brush that all back into your braids. So now you want to get your wig cap, place it on your head, and notice how I'm placing my scissors horizontally. You want to cut out a nice small slit, then you want to push your wig cap up over your ear and pull down underneath your ear. Now you just want to pull down on the wig cap like I'm doing, just to make sure that the wig cap is sitting nice. Now we're going to use our lace melt spray. I'm using the Eben New York melting spray and just going across my hairline with that. So now you just want to press that product into the wig cap and then blow dry. And now for extra hold, I'm just going in with my wig glue. I'm using the Hold Me Down Erica J wig glue, and I'm just placing that across my hairline. And now just make sure to spread that out evenly. And once again, guys, you're just going to blow dry that until it's clear. When it's clear, you know that it's fully dried. And then I'm going in with another coat of glue. So now just doing my favorite ball cap method. You want to cut a little slit before the glue starts and then just cut around, getting as close to the glue as possible. This ball cap method is my favorite just because you don't have to tie a knot at the nape of your neck. So now you just want to cut any excess cap off and then place it over your head like I'm doing. So now you want to get your foundation or concealer. I'm using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation. And now I'm just going to use my blow dryer and just dry that product down. Alright y'all, look at this beautiful wig. I got this wig from Mega Look. It is 13 by 4. I honestly get so many compliments when I wear it. I love the color. I love everything about this wig. So you just want to place it on your head and then pin it up and out of the way. So now guys, you just want to get your wig glue and place that all around the perimeter of your hair. And I'm going to do 2 coats of that. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the next steps of the video just because it's pretty repetitive. So I'll be right back. The glue is nice and dry. You want to place your wig on top of the glue and press down into the glue. I'm using my bristle brush just because I feel like the bristles in the brush will allow the glue to seep through the lace and help for a longer hold. So depending on how you want your hairline to look, this is a step where you can just modify that. This is a step where you can cut, pluck, or just glue down any leftover lace that wasn't glued down previously. So working in sections, I'm just gonna glue down the front part of my wig. I'm using a very thin layer to do that. And then we're just gonna do the same thing for the sides. Y'all, look how seamless that looks. Hello? Tell the people there's a new sheriff in town. So again, guys, I'm just gonna do the same steps for the sides using a thin layer. And again, guys, I'm doing 2 coats of that. Yeah, guys, look how nice and seamless that looks. Looks like it's growing straight out of my scalp. Okay. So now, guys, I'm just going in with my tinted lace mousse. This one is from eBay, New York. I got this from my beauty supply store. I think anyone really works, but this is affordable, so I got it from there. Then I'm just going to place that all around the perimeter of my hair and then just press that into the lace. So now I'm just going to take my styling strip, which I got from my beauty supply store. I'm just going to wrap my hair just to allow the mousse to set in, and then I'm going to blow dry, and you should leave it on for about like 30 seconds. So now you just want to take some melting spray, spray that on your finger and then tap that in around the perimeter of your hair. Then I'm going to use my styling strip and use the wig band. So I'm going to use both of those to just have that press in all the product, just so it has a nice flat finish. And you want to leave that for about a minute or two. And there you have it, guys. A nice, flat, flawless install. Are you kidding me? You can't even tell where the lace begins. I mean, kind of, but not really. So this is the part where you can just freestyle, do your own thing, style your wig how you like. I'm just now combing out any like knots or anything. Then I'm gonna spray my hair and just, you know, do a little style. Yeah, guys, so this is it. And by the way, guys, I did my own lashes. So if you guys want a tutorial on how I did my lashes like this, comment down below lashes and I got you on the next video. So this is the style I'm going with for now. Thank you guys so much if you made it this far. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.